I'm Sarah from Poder. In this video, we'll learn some baking vocabulary. And then we'll practice with a real cookie recipe you can try. Perfect for the holidays. Okay, let's learn some baking words. First, the verb bake means to cook in the oven. Could be a turkey, bread, cookies, anything. If you're cooking it in the oven, you're baking it. When you're baking, your recipe will probably tell you to preheat the oven to a certain temperature, like 400 degrees. Preheat. This means to heat before. So before you put the cookies in the oven, preheat it to 400 degrees. Your recipe will probably also tell you to blend, mix, or stir the ingredients together. These all mean the same thing. Stir the flour and sugar. Mix the flour and sugar. Blend the flour and sugar. It's all the same. Now let's look at some important measuring words. First, we have teaspoon and tablespoon. Teaspoon is often abbreviated with TSP, teaspoon, and tablespoon with TBSP, tablespoon. On a standard set of measuring spoons, the biggest one is the tablespoon. You can see the TBSP, tablespoon. And then this smaller one is the teaspoon, TSP, teaspoon. It helps to remember that the bigger word is for the bigger spoon, tablespoon. It'll also be important to know the words half and quarter. On your measuring cups, you'll see a half cup and a quarter cup. And with your measuring spoons, you'll see a half teaspoon and a quarter teaspoon. Now, for the best part, let's practice with a real recipe. Here's a delicious sugar cookie recipe that uses the words we just learned. For your ingredients, you'll need 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup of butter softened, 1½ cups sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 egg. The directions you should follow are: first, preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and then in a small bowl, stir together the flour, baking soda, and baking powder. In a large bowl, mix the butter, sugar, egg, and vanilla. Then blend in the dry ingredients, so the flour, baking soda, and baking powder. And third, put tablespoons of dough on a cookie sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Your challenge now is to use the recipe and make the cookies. Then, if you want to be extra awesome, leave us a comment and tell us about your delicious cookies. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays and happy baking. See you soon.